Hello everyone, welcome to Nihira Techiees. In this video, I am going to explain pipes in Angular application. Basically, pipes are used for the data binding. When we are binding the data, if we want to change the existing form, we can use the pipes. So it's similar to in C Sharp, we have the extension type. The same way it's working in Angular application. So in Angular, we have different types of pipes. Like first one is inbuilt pipes and another one is custom pipes. So Angular providing a number of inbuilt pipes, the normal pipe, currency pipe, decimal, date, percentage, slice, JSON. So we can see everything in the details with an example. And also I'm going to explain how we can pass some parameters to the pipes and how to use two pipes or else more than one pipe in the particular component. At the end, I am going to explain how to create one custom pipe with the parameters. So we can see everything in the details. First, let me go to my code. If you see in the code, I am just binded one text. It's a title. If you see in the output, it's welcome to Nihira Techiees. Using the text, I am going to explain this normal pipe. Now, I am going to change the value into uppercase. Okay. For using the pipe, syntax is the symbol only. And after that, we have to specify our pipe name. Here I am going to use my pipe name is uppercase. See now, the value completely changed into uppercase. The same way we can use the lowercase also. Instead of uppercase, I am going to change the pipe name is lower. That's it. See the output. The complete text changed into small letters. Okay, this is the normal pipe. And now I am going to explain currency pipe. So currency pipe, first let me declare some amount. Based on that we can bind. So amount is 0.122. So basically this is my amount. I want to bind. So let me have one more tag here. The same interpolation concept. So if I'm binding defaultly, the value is coming. Now I am going to include the currency pipe. If you see now, the dollar symbol is included and the value also in the currency format. So now it's binded the USD, the dollar symbol. So if you want bind our Indian currency mean, we need to provide one input as the parameter. So for providing any input, we have to use this colon and our Indian currency is INR. So we can check now. So now it's a Indian currency name. Similar way, we can pass any country's currency. We can bind in our UI. So let me pass the Europe. Okay, fine. It's added. In this way, we have to use the currency pipe. And next I'm going to move for the decimal pipe. So decimal pipe also we can use the same value. So the decimal pipe basically it's a numeric type. So number. So if I'm providing number, the default value get binded. This comma is included. But if I want to bind after that dot, I want to bind only one digit means I supposed to pass the input here. See now only one digit is coming. If suppose I want two digit means. So in that way, we can round up our value. So this is all about the decimal pipe. Now let me move on the date pipe. So first I am going to declare one value. It's current date equal to new date of. So basically it will provide the current date value. So let me bind this one also one of the h2 tag. See, this is actually our current date, the Tuesday, March 1st, and our time, the GMT, Indian Standard Time. So now I want get the date only. So I can use the date pipe here. Now see the date only coming. But if I want bind the date in the specific format like first date, then month, after that I want year mean, I have to provide the input as the format. So date, month, and year. See now the complete year is coming. So in case the complete year is not required, this 22 only is enough means I have to provide true y, that's it. Okay. Instead of 03, I want the month name. Then I have to provide one more m. So see the March 1st and 2022. So in that way, we can bind any format of our date value or else the timings also we can bind. So now let me move on the percentage pipe. So I'm going to declare one more variable, percentage data 0.098. So this is my value. I'm going to create one more element. Here I am going to add the percentage pipe. The name is percent only. See, just 10 percentage. So in case if I'm providing 198, say 20 percentage. Okay, 44 percentage. So whatever input you are providing, it's just converting into percentage and in order to binding in our Angular template. So now let me move on the slice pipe. Basically slice pipe, we haven't text if you want to cut the specific area based on the index, we can fetch the data. That's what we are using the slice pipe. So let me explain here. Slice, I want 1 to 5. Okay, fine. See now 1 to 5. Actually, I want take from 0 to 5. So welcome up to co is coming. If I'm giving two more, okay, just welcome is coming. So in case if I'm providing 8 to 11, just it's taking the true. So in that way we can slice any data. At the end I'm going to explain the JSON pipe. For that I'm going to declare one JSON object first. So name is the field and the value is Nihira. Okay, so let me try to bind. If I'm not providing the pipe means it is just binding the object. Now I am going to use the JSON pipe. Okay, see now. So whatever values in the object it's binding. Now I'm going to explain how we can use multiple pipes in the same component. So already I'm added the JSON pipe. Here I'm going to add one more pipe, uppercase. So see now it's binded in the object format, I mean the JSON object, and also it's changed into the uppercase. So this is all about the inbuilt pipes in Angular application. Now I'm going to create one custom pipe so we can achieve the same functionality using these custom pipes. For creating the custom pipe, we have the CLI command. So ng generate short form of pipe is pipe. I'm going to create this pipe in one folder and pipe sgd to INR. So converting SGD amount into Indian currency value. So look like our pipes is generated. So inside the pipe folder, one spec file was there. It's not required. Let me delete it first. And so this is our actual pipe. So in the top of that, we have the pipe decorator and the name is SGD to INR. So this name value basically we can use in our binding time. So let me create one more element. So I'm going to use this is for amount. Okay, done. So if I see now, there is nothing binded because my pipe actually returning null. So in case if I'm providing just 200, so it will defaultly binding us the 200. Basically, we are providing value is 2000.12, but it's binding 200 because we not handled anything in our pipe. We are just returning 200. That's what it's binding as a 200. Okay. So already I am passing some values. Whatever value we are passing, it's coming in our the value side. So also we know our input is in number format. So our input is number. So whatever value is coming, just I'm trying to pass, return it. Now see, so we passed to 2000.122, so the value is returned. That's it. So if I am applying any logics here, so if I'm trying to multiply into 2, so it will work accordingly. So basically I created this pipefish for converting SGD value into INR. So we all know the value is GD to INR today currency rate. So it will be varying for any day. So 55.58. So this is the actual value of Indian money. So as of now, I am just hard coded, but this value will be changed instantly. So let me make it as the parameter. So if we want to pass any parameter, we can this argument type. So number and let me declare it constant and rate equal to ERGs. Now we can pass it here and let me go here. So here I'm going to pass the input. First I'm trying to give just a 3 for testing purpose. So see now, so the whatever value I passed, it's coming based on that. So now I'm trying to give the real-time value as the input. Let me go here, SGD rate. So see now the value is coming very perfectly and I'm trying to change the values instead of giving like this. I'm just to give true. So see, it's showing the exact value of SGD amount. So as of now, we have just hard coded this value 55.58 and we are passing it. In the real time, basically we will get this data in the any of the API for implementing the real time implementation. So if you think, do we have any other option? Yes, the same functionality we can achieve through the function also. So comparing to the creating any function, these pipes are very easy and simple to use. So this is all about the pipes. Still, if you have any doubts or clarifications, please post in my comment box, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In my next video, I am going to explain forms in Angular application. Thank you. Thanks for watching.